Madam President, Mr. Commissioner, this is a unique report on a unique petition, and Mrs. Wallis has dealt with it excellently. Legal matters aside, the petition on which this report is based raises some important points. I will briefly mention three of them. Point one, even with the greatest of safety precautions, a nuclear weapon accident is always possible. In a way, the US B-52 crash in Greenland was very fortunate. Imagine the effects if it happened in a highly populated area, for example, near a US base in Central Europe. So, anybody who claims nuclear weapons are absolutely safe in peacetime is not telling the whole truth. Point two, after a nuclear accident, well-prepared plans should immediately be put in action which would minimize effects, both short-term and long-term, to human health and to the environment. It seems that the relevant authorities in this case, the US Air Force and the Danish government, were ill-prepared and did not properly deal with the problem, especially with regards to protecting civilian personnel and providing them with long-term health surveillance monitoring. This shortfall has led to numerous premature deaths from cancer in cases where early detection could have provided a much better chance of survival. So anybody who claims that even after a nuclear weapons accident, the relevant authorities can deal most adequately with the after effects is also not telling the whole truth. And point three, after a nuclear weapons accident, one expects that the government concerned would display a spirit of transparency and cooperation in dealing with the affected population. This was not the case with the Greenland crash, as the Danish government refused to provide access to the relevant environmental radiation records necessary in order to carry out an estimation of the radiation doses received by affected workers. Furthermore, information given by the Danish authorities was dangerously misleading. So, even scientific reports issued by governments after a nuclear weapons accident cannot be trusted. The overall message is therefore clear. Nuclear weapons can cause death and suffering even in peacetime. So the best way to deal with them is not to have them at all. And after listening to the Commissioner, a final point is that petitioners can go through years of suffering and fighting and manage to get in the EU only a lot of sympathy but no practical results. Thank you.